Good day, everybody. Frédéric Marion here at Formnext. I'm head of the Customer Experience Method Expertise Department at AP&C. AP&C is a company from Montreal, part of Additive. We're a powder producer for the AM market. So AP&C is producing powder, mainly titanium alloys, Ti64, grade 5 and grade 23. Also nickel-based super alloys like nickel 718 and 625. But we're launching this year aluminum alloys, so F357, and also aluminum silicon 10 magnesium for the aerospace market and also industrial market. We've been asked to go into aluminum for a long time because we're known for have very high quality powders. Those powders are made in our plasma atomization systems. We have here a schematic of that system. So all these stories start with wire that is melted with plasma gives very high purity of the powder. Powders will be very spherical, very dense, and be able to flow and be processed easily in your system. We're having a strong supply chain where all the raw material that we use is already pre-certified for aerospace or medical grade, and we benchmark that large industry into our products. We deliver all around the world. We've got a large capacity, all based in Montreal, and we're happy to talk about it here at Formnext or at our facilities, or come and see us.